Namaste and welcome.
Namaste and welcome.
Today's video is a quiz video. Why? Because while watching and listening are good ways to learn, trying to remember the information that you have learned helps in retention. Quizzes help to embed information in our brains. So starting with this video, I will be posting quiz videos from time to time. Each quiz will be based on a particular video that I have posted earlier. For example, today's quiz is based on 150 Hindi words to get you through a day. The link is at the top of the screen in case you want to revise before attempting the quiz. And since this is the first quiz, I have made it a little easier for you. All questions are multiple choice, and all the words that I have chosen are from the first half of the above video. Also, after the question, you will get some time to think it over, for which there will be a timer at the right top corner of the screen. Once you are done, do let me know in the comments section what do you think of this quiz and how many of your answers were correct. Now, before we start, please subscribe to my channel, and after this quiz, check out some of my other videos. Let's start.
The first word is man. What is it called in Hindi? A. औरत, B. आदमी, C. लड़का. You have 3 seconds to make your choice. The correct answer is आदमी.
The second word is tea, and the options are घर, काला, chai, and the timer starts now. The correct answer is chai.
Next word is chair. चप्पल, कुर्सी, लाल. The correct answer is kursi.
Next up is lock, and the choices are sadak, tala, khana. And the right answer is B. Tala.
Salt, नमक, घर और चीनी. The correct answer is namak.
Sun. Is it called Suraj, Din, or Parda in Hindi? The right answer is Suraj.
Season. Options are मौसम, असली, दिशा. And season is मौसम.
Next up is fire. A. Pass. B. Kal. C. Aag. And the right answer is Aag.
Day. Kal. Din. Aaj. And the answer is Din.
The 10th word is truth. And your choices are Raat, Hum, Sach. And the right answer is C. Sach.
Yes. हाँ. नहीं. सब. And the correct answer is हाँ.
Next word is sweet. And the first choice is namak. Second is meetha. And the third is khatta. And the right one is meetha.
Next word is tap. Tap here as in tap water. A. Pyala. B. Nal. C. Makan. The right answer is B. Nal.
Knife. A. Chabi. B. Chammach. And C. Chaku. And knife in Hindi is C. Chaku.
Sky. A. Sham. B. Akash. C. Raat. Answer is B. Akash.
Next up is rice. Is it called Neela, Atta, or Chawal in Hindi? And it is called Chawal in Hindi.
Hot. Garam. Naram. Gila. Answer is Garam.
Road, sadak, phal, chawal. And the correct answer is sadak.
Morning. Raat. Sham, Subah. And the answer is C. Subah.
And the last word is you. The choices are sub, aap, hum. And the right answer is aap. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel.